Pete Zielinski, Additive Manufacturing Media. The industrialization of laser powder bed fusion has advanced far enough that the machine manufacturing has had to be industrialized too. I am at Velo3D's manufacturing facility in Fremont, California. Starting this year, Velo3D began receiving subassemblies from manufacturing suppliers and is manufacturing its machines this way. I'm standing next to a machine that is in production, an example of its Sapphire XC machine. This is the larger of its metal additive systems, but also its better selling machine. 600 millimeter diameter build plate, 550 millimeter Z height, but it's a tall machine because some models, the elevator can extend to a Z height of a full meter. Over here on an adjacent similar machine, also being manufactured, here is what the powder handling system looks like. Velo3D's laser powder bed fusion machines are a little unusual because the non-contact recoater involves putting down 2.5 or 3 millimeters worth of powder to get a 50 micron layer height each layer. So that means similar layer height as other machines, but a lot of powder in recirculation continuously through the machine. Here's an example of one of those subassemblies received from a contract manufacturer. A pretty significant portion of the machine. This is the upper transfer assembly. It includes the build chamber, optics lenses. You can see there are 8 of them for the 8 lasers. Recoater system on the other side is part of the powder handling system, and there is a significant additive manufactured component here too. The airflow nozzle that protects the optics from soot carries argon gas through it. This is a geometry that could only be produced through 3D printing.